Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Tim Bowe at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.